My name is Komodo. I'm a risk communicator at the Fukushima Daiichi Decontamination and Decommissioning Engineering Company. In this video, I'd like to tell you about secondary treatment performance tests that we have been conducting on water treated with multinuclide removal equipment, or ALPS, since September 15th, using additionally installed ALPS equipment here. Due to past equipment troubles and differences in the way that equipment has been operated, the sum of the ratio's legally required concentrations of radioactive substances, with the exception of tritium, for some of the ALPS-treated water being stored on site at the Fukushima Daiichi nuclear power station equals 1 or higher. Or, in other words, some of the water has concentrations of radioactive substances that exceed government standards. This treated water is being repurified with ALPS and subjected to secondary treatment until the concentrations of radioactive substances fall below government limits. The objectives of the secondary treatment performance confirmation tests are to verify that the sum of the ratios of legally required concentrations of radioactive substances, with the exception of tritium, has been reduced to less than 1 for treated water subjected to secondary treatment with ALPS, and to review nuclide analysis procedures and processes. Tests to confirm the performance of secondary treatment using additionally installed ALPS began on September 15th.
5秒前、3、2、1、0。
クリーン点灯です。はい、クリアです。はい、クリア。
クリアです。866。
Secondary treatment performance confirmation tests will use water taken from tank groups for which the concentrations of radioactive substances are more than 100 times greater than government standards. The J1C tank group, which has relatively high concentration levels, and the J1G tank group, which has concentration levels on the lower end of the spectrum, have been selected for this purpose. Approximately 1,000 cubic meters of water shall be taken from each tank group and analyzed prior to and after secondary treatment with ALPS to assess the concentration levels of the 62 nuclides that are targeted for removal, as well as radioactive carbon and tritium. As always, we shall prioritize safety when conducting these tests.